today on Sparky Moto TV, we're showing the 3 easy steps to cleaning your motorcycle chain. Alright, we're out here on the street today because, well, I was painting and there was some fumes. I needed to get out of the shop for a minute. But anyways, we're using this cleaner and these brushes today to clean a motorcycle chain. Why 2 brushes, you say? Well, I don't know, that's just how they come in the kit. They're like identical. So anyways, let's head back to the shop. Should be cleared out by now. Alright, here we go. We got a dirty chain on my bike. Now, a dirty chain is just as bad as dirty mouth and dirty drawers, and all of which I use to clean with this, the Moto chain clean. Anyways, link in the description. This is the stuff to use. It's real good. I've been using it for years. It's great. Anyways, I stick a piece of cardboard up in here to keep everything nice and clean. So when you're doing this, don't run the bike. You get your fingers in the chain and sprockets. Remember the last video, lost a finger. Anyways, if you didn't catch that one, go back, check that one out. Anyways, let's put this stuff on here. Nice and stinky. Oh, probably more fumes. Anyways, we got these 2 brushes. Come with red or blue. They're basically the same. We got a blue bike, so we're gonna go with red. Anyways, you got your nice dirty chain all lubed up or clean, got the cleaner on there. Now what we'll do is we'll probably, let me think here, inside first, getting it nice and clean on there, and you can pull or push to get a little bit more cleaning action while you're cleaning it there. Keep it on the chain. Again, don't get your fingers right there. It gets really bad with this nice and dirty chain. You could just go whoop right through the chain. Not real good. I'm going to do it a second time because it's real dirty. And you get the inside a little bit too. Don't spray it in your face. Now, you could do it again. Then I use a shop rag to clean it all off. Oh yeah, that looks pretty. And as you can see, got a nice clean chain. Looks pretty good. I'm thinking I should have worn gloves, seeing how dirty this chain was. Alright, next you need to re-lube the chain again, which I like the dangerous way. It's super easy. Keeps your tire nice and clean. Alright, again, Bel-Ray Super Clean. This is the stuff to use. This is like Chain Wax 2.0. If you're using Chain Wax, forget that. Use this stuff. This is the stuff to use. Anyways, link in the description for it below. It's super good. So I hold a cardboard piece up in here, as close as you can to the sprocket. Now my hand is down here. Don't get your fingers in the chain right there. Like my last video, lost a finger. That one's a little short. Not kidding. Anyways, you're going to concentrate on squirting it right there in that link and then across into the other link as it goes around. Make sure you get enough in there. Again, holding this cardboard while it runs in first gear. Wait, what do you mean? I grease on my face the whole time? The whole shoot? Why didn't you tell me? I can't ask people to subscribe if I was looking like that. It's ridiculous. It's supposed to be professional. They get it all?